How to check call history on Telegram. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily check for call history on Telegram. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Telegram app and make sure that you're logged in. Once you open up your Telegram, you can go to individual chat to see the call history. But if you want to check the entire call history, then in that case, what you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, on the top left corner, or swipe left on your screen. And from now here, you can just tap on the call option right below contacts to see all of your recent calls. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on the call option, you'll be able to see all of your recent call history on Telegram. As you can see, I do not have any recent calls, but if you have made any recent calls and it has been picked up on both ways, then that call will be showed right here on your call history. And that's how you check the call history on Telegram. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.